here in Virginia. This road is like this all the way. 30 miles of the ship. Check it out. Farms here. Go right through the middle of the farm. Look at this. Right in the middle of the farm. You got a Confederate flag up there. You see it? These are roads like I die for these roads, man. These are awesome freaking roads, man. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Look at this. Fantastic road. Must be 30 miles an hour from here. Doing like 50. But it counts in the water. I tell you, this road's not much business. Turns and roller coaster terrain. The road signs are all shot up, shotgun. People don't give a shit.